Welcome to Wise Her. Today's topic: dating after divorce. Divorce can be a challenging and transformative experience, but it doesn't mean that your love life has to come to an end. With the right mindset, you can navigate the dating scene with confidence and open yourself up to new romantic possibilities. Reflect on your past relationship. Take time to reflect on your past relationship and the lessons you've learned from it. Acknowledge the pain and loss you may have experienced, but also recognize the growth and resilience that have emerged from the experience. Focus on self-love and healing. Prioritize self-love and healing as you embark on this new chapter of your life. Invest time and energy into activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, whether it's practicing self-care routines, engaging in hobbies you enjoy, or seeking support from friends and therapists. Rediscover your identity. Rediscover who you are as an individual outside of your past relationship. Reconnect with your interests, passions, and goals to cultivate a sense of purpose and fulfillment that is independent of any romantic partnership. Set realistic expectations. Set realistic expectations for dating and be patient with yourself along the way. Understand that finding love again may take time and involve some setbacks, but trust that the right person will come into your life when the time is right. Build your confidence. Focus on building your confidence and embracing your unique qualities and strengths. Remind yourself of your worthiness and the love that you have to offer, and don't be afraid to showcase your authentic self when meeting new people. Take small steps. Take small steps outside of your comfort zone to gradually ease back into the dating scene. Whether it's attending social events, trying out online dating apps, or simply striking up conversations with new people, each step you take brings you closer to finding love again. Be open to new experiences. Be open to new experiences and opportunities that come your way. Allow yourself to be vulnerable and take risks, knowing that growth and fulfillment often lie on the other side of fear. Dating after divorce can be a journey of self-discovery, growth, and empowerment. By rebuilding your confidence, focusing on self-love and healing, and approaching the dating scene with an open heart and mind, you can create a fulfilling and meaningful love life that honors your past while embracing your future. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more wise content. Until next time, stay wise and remember that love is always within reach.